The upside is huge. TradeFi talent flocks to crypto. Professionals ranging from college graduates to 30-year finance veterans are pivoting into crypto, a source at the top global capital market firm said. Blockworks. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty, and I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to come check me out. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because I always have plenty to talk about. And today we're on my crypto portfolio. We're back, and it's been a good day, so I gotta come and celebrate the good day with you guys. I hope you guys had a good day in the market like my portfolio is showing. Alright, so it's been a good day, great week, and this makes you feel like crypto might just be on the comeback. But we gotta still remember, we're still down heavily for the month. Most cryptos down heavily for the 3 month, but it's looking good. It's looking like cryptos might be rallying back. We see Ethereum is finally above that $3,000 an Ether mark. Man, we haven't seen that in a while. So I hope you guys, if you were bullish on Ethereum, you scooped up some more Ethereum. As you guys can see in my portfolio, Ethereum is the only cryptocurrency that I'm up in, and that's a good reason. At one point I only held Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I sold my Bitcoin at a decent price and I dove into some altcoin. In my portfolio I hold Ethereum, AMP token, the Graph crypto, Cosmos crypto, or Atom coin, and these are the ones I'm gonna be dialing into. You guys might notice I only have 4, but at one point I was only buying Ethereum and Bitcoin because I only believed in Ethereum and Bitcoin. But then I saw how these other altcoins outpaced Bitcoin. They outpaced Bitcoin by a landslide. So I sold my Bitcoin when it was high, and then I dialed into these lower altcoins. Alright, so I definitely believe in these coins, and I believe they can go the distance, and that's why I'm going to make sure I have solid positions in these coins. Just these 4 for right now, maybe about 2,000 to 5,000 in each one, and even after that I'm probably still dial in because I'm trying to invest into cryptocurrency for the bulk of this year, because cryptocurrency is an up-and-coming market and people are flocking to it. It has a lot of potential, but again, it does have a lot of risks too. But when you invest in, you kind of have to have that happy medium when it comes to what you want regarding risk to reward. So cryptos can give you a high reward, but it's also a higher risk than the traditional stocks or even dividend stocks. So you kind of got to balance yourself out. If you've been following my channel, you know I have a crypto portfolio and then I have a dividend portfolio. So I kind of got the best of both worlds, and I want my crypto portfolio to be just as high as my dividend portfolio. So that's why I'm dialing into crypto pretty heavily. Like this week, with my allowance, I went on and I put 50 in AMP token, I put 50 in the Graph crypto, and as you guys can see, I'm down. Someone else was asking what do the numbers mean. So the numbers in the middle, Ethereum is green. That means I'm winning on Ethereum. I'm up 29% in Ethereum, which equals $632. So I'm winning in Ethereum. But then when you come down to AMP token, I'm down 25%, and that 25% equals negative $1,394. The market is down, so I'm losing a little over $1,000 in AMP token. The graph, I'm down $456. That's 32%. And Cosmos or Atom Coin, I'm down $126, which is 24%. And these numbers are down. While these numbers are down, it means my buy, if I buy into these positions, I'm buying at a lower price than I originally bought at, which is good. It helps me lower my average buy. And that's what I've been doing. I've been dialing into those. Oh yeah, I did put 20 in Ethereum too this week. But when we look at the overall crypto market, it's going crazy. We see Bitcoin finally came back up past 40,000 a coin, which is good. Again, when Bitcoin is doing good, the whole market tends to follow. That's why we see all these green faces. When Bitcoin is up, everything's up. Yep, as simple as that. So that's why I hope Bitcoin continues to do well, because Bitcoin is doing well. It pulls the other altcoins up with it, because people have started to have a lot more faith in cryptocurrency. But now let's look at the very top of the screen. Where you see that $1.9 trillion market cap. I told you guys to pay attention to that. I was going to be calling it out. The last video we saw, the market cap was at 1.7. Now it's at $1.9 trillion. That means people are steadily investing into the crypto market. I'm telling you, keep an eye out on that. Even when the market is red, sometimes you will see that number still high, because people are still investing into cryptocurrency. So if you ever feel, a little shaky about cryptocurrency, just pay attention to, the market cap. I don't think people will steadily be investing into cryptocurrency if, it didn't have a future. But that's a heavy market cap. And one of the articles I did see, articles that I wanted to share with you guys today, is a Blockworks article. The upside is huge. TradeFi talent flocks to crypto. Professionals ranging from college graduates to 30-year finance veterans are pivoting into crypto, a source at the top global capital firm said. Let's take a look at it. In this article by Blockworks, it's basically detailing how people are leaving brokerage accounts and top tier bank positions to go work in the crypto field. They're ditching cushy jobs at blue chip investment banks and top tier law firms. They're bidding Silicon Valley goodbye, and in some cases, they're coming out of retirement. The great migration of the upper echelons of the corporate world to the crypto economy has been building for years and is expected to accelerate now that Wall Street firms have paid out their bonuses. 15 industry participants told Blockworks, "It's absolutely happening, and it's happening at a super fast pace," said Frank Van Eaton, Chief Investment Officer at digital assets lender Celsius. After 20 years in traditional finance, Van Eaton went all in on crypto last September. There are about a dozen people I'm lining up to bring into Celsius, and about 3 or 4 senior people are literally coming out of retirement to work in crypto, he said. For people in my stage in my career, if you want to achieve something more, crypto is the right environment to do so. The industry has matured and now offers comparable salaries with more potential for significant equity in the firm and therefore higher potential upside, one source said. The fact that the crypto industry often appears like an exciting new frontier, combining elements of the tech sector with the interesting parts of finance and a fun young vibe. Huge amounts of energy, talent, and momentum are attractive, the investment firm source said. As Web3 grows, ambitious people in technology and finance are taking note. Charlie Silver, CEO of Permissions.io, said his company, which focuses on digital ownership in Web3, has recently hired people from Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. Upside potential in big tech and big finance are very limited, Silver said. For ambitious creatives, these traditional companies are more like working for the federal government. To me, this article says it's not just us retail investors and people trying to make a quick buck looking at crypto. It's people that are actually working for firms and starting careers and building their careers off of crypto and the whole crypto frontier. That's great news for the whole crypto market. So, like I said, with all these people paying attention and with the talents, young and old, heading to crypto, you definitely got to keep your eye on cryptocurrency. So yeah, we back on my crypto portfolio, and I like to remind everybody, this is not financial advice. It's never financial advice. But I just wanted to share with you guys that article. I found it very empowering, make you feel good. You still want to feel good about your investments. And I would like to say, remember, the best time to buy anything is when it's cheap and low. Alright, so if you are bullish on crypto, make sure you hold tight on whatever you got. And if you got more, you might want to consider to scoop up some more, because what if we never see these prices again? Then, everybody gonna be like, yeah, I wish I would have bought more. Because that's what everyone was saying with Bitcoin for a long time. And now Bitcoin is back down. So I wonder, did those people buy back into Bitcoin? But we'll never know. I just wanted to come up here and bask in the up week that we had, and let's hope it continues. All right, I appreciate y'all checking me out. Come back and see me. Thanks.